Will your insurance cover airbag replacement?
Hello there. Today we are going to discuss a question that's likely to come up after any car accident. Will your insurance cover the cost of replacing a deployed airbag? Understanding this aspect can be crucial when you're calculating the expenses related to your car accident.
What does typical car insurance cover?
As a starting point, let's quickly touch on what a typical car insurance policy covers. Comprehensive and collision insurance are the two main types of coverage that could help you in the event of a car accident. Comprehensive insurance covers events that are considered out of your control, such as theft, vandalism, natural disasters, etc. Collision insurance, on the other hand, helps cover the cost of repairs to your vehicle if you're involved in an accident with another vehicle or you hit an object like a fence or a pole.
Will your insurance cover airbag replacement?
Now, coming to the question at hand, will your insurance cover the cost of replacing a deployed airbag? In most cases, if you're involved in an accident and your airbag deploys, your collision insurance should cover the cost of replacing the airbag if the accident was your fault. Similarly, if another driver is at fault, their liability insurance should cover your expenses. However, note that this depends on your specific policy, your deductible, and the circumstances surrounding the accident. You need to check your individual insurance policy or talk to your insurance agent to get the most accurate information.
What if airbags deploy without a collision?
What happens if your airbags deploy without a collision? This situation might happen due to a malfunction or defect. In this case, comprehensive coverage might come into play. However, whether or not your insurance will cover the replacement can depend on many factors such as the cause of the malfunction, the terms of your policy, and even the age of your car. To sum it up, whether or not your insurance will cover the cost of replacing a deployed airbag depends on your specific insurance policy and the circumstances of the airbag deployment. The best way to find out is to contact your insurance provider and discuss your policy and situation directly with them. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope this video has shed some light on the issue. Stay safe on the roads and always keep updated on what your insurance policy covers.